How to archive in Smartsheet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can archive your sheets, your folders, or your Gantt charts or anything on Smartsheet. So let's get started. So first thing first is that Smartsheet doesn't really have a feature of archiving any of your project, but there are some other turnaround ways by which you can archive them. So for that, you're going to click on your folder over here. So just click on folders and you'll be redirected to your folders. Now here you can see that I've created a folder of archive in order to archive my sheets. Now I'm going to click on a sheet. For example, this is the sheet and I wish to archive it. So what you're going to do is go and click on file over here. And after that, you're going to click on save as new. So just click on save as new. And here you could give it a name, for example, copy of and followed by name, or if you're going to write down duplicate of task tracker. And then you're going to browse and select the archive folder. So just click on archive. And after that, you just select the archive and then click on OK. You need to have an archive folder before doing that. And then you can select numerous other options such as sharing options or other automated workflow and alert options. And then you can just give it a read and change it according to your desire. And then we have data and formatting options. After that, you can just click on save. Now, this is one of the ways how you can archive. And then we have another way by which you can create a whole new workspace of archive, where you can archive all of your sheets, or you can, copy and paste and put all of your archived sheets. So for that, you're going to click on this plus icon. And after that, you're going to scroll all the way down and then click on workspace. Now you can see that a workspace has been created. So what you're going to do is just click on this untitled workspace and give it a title of archive. So just click on it and write down archive. Let me just correct the spellings and then write down archive. And for example, I already have an archive folder, so I'm going to give it a name archive too. And then you can see that here there is a sheet. You can either rename it or you can remove it according to your own desire. And then what you're going to do is just click on add over here. And then you can click on folder and here make an archive folder. So just type down archive and followed by folder. So just type down archive folder and after that just click on OK. And now you can see that archive folder has been created. Now you can paste all of those sheets that you wish to archive, or all of those, the timeline or Gantt charts or whatever you want. You can just paste them over here in order to archive them and use them in future. Now there is also a third way, which is quite technical, but it is easy if you follow that step by step. So for that, you can open the sheet, and then once you're in your sheet, what this will basically do is, archive all of the rows as soon as a trigger has been set. For example, if we set the trigger that all of those rows, that status is completed, should be archived. So all of those rows containing the complete status would be archived to another sheet, for example, to an archive sheet. For that, you're going to click on automation over here and then click on create from template. And now here, you're going to scroll down until you find the template that says move a row to another sheet when specified criteria are met. So you're going to just click on it. And once you click on that, you will be redirected to something like this. So you can just give it a read that what it is about, and then you can just click on use template. After that, over here, you're going to select the field. For example, first of all, you're going to give it a name. For example, I'm giving the name archive. And then here, you're going to click on this combo box and select the field or column. For example, I wish to select the status because I want all of the completed rows to be archived. And then you're going to click on complete. And then over here, you're going to give the name of the sheet. So the sheet could be anything. For example, the sheet could be an archive sheet or any other sheet which you wish to contain all of the rows having the complete status. So you could just select any sheet you want, and that's it. That was how you can archive in Smartsheet. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.